All right, just walked in the door with Stella. She got food. Air conditioning is not turning on. And the smoke detector is now beeping, which is good because if it weren't working and there was a fire, because there would have been if I didn't hear the wire, Stella wouldn't have been able to get out. Wouldn't matter. Anyways, it's beeping, so I need to replace those batteries. My battery is totally dead, so I can't move it because I don't have power to jump. The battery up there. Oh no, I can do. I don't know. So I don't have any lights. I'm dead. Totally dead. And I guess it's not totally dead because, nope, yeah, right, we're on the grid. It definitely got shorted. There's only 2 LEDs working. Wah, wah. Nothing else. That's it. That's what it looks like now at night. I'll be working on rewiring all of the outlets once I get moved over there and fireproofing the walls. I guess that doesn't matter though, because Stella will be dead. I have some things to figure out. Trailer is not a safe place for a pet to be left alone. It's hot in here. There's no AC.